What you're going to do is you're going to take two 2x2 square blocks, 1 inch thick, and you're going to drill them out 5/8 deep and about 3/4 wide, and then you're going to drop the bearing in there, squish it down into the press, do the same on the other side of the block, heavy wall, 1/4 inch wall, it's about 1 inch diameter with a 1/2 inch hole in it, and weld up the bottom, build your slide, and then when you're done, what we're going to do is we're going to take this hot piece of metal and we're going to take a pair of needle nose pliers here, and if you bend them up into that little eye shape, borrow someone's pliers, your dad, your brother, whatever, because if you wreck them, it doesn't really matter and it's a lot cheaper. So I tend to go that direction if I possibly can. Okay, we are going to build a 3/4 inch round ball that can be used for a grape or artistic or whatever you want. You really want to get your metal hot. Whenever you're going to put it on a hydraulic press, whether it's a hand press or an electric one or air or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. If you're going to press steel under high volumes of pressure, then you want it hot, because when that little ball bearing comes flying out of there at 2,000 feet per second or some ungodly number, it'll go right through you and kill you. So really be careful. Make sure your metal's hot and pliable before you press. Important safety tip. Okay, we're going to pull it out of the forge. We're going to take it over to the hydraulic press, and we are going to mold it into a circle. Get it in there nice and cylindrical if you can. Wash it down, give it a second to heat, lift it up, bring it out. Now there you go. You see you've got a little line around that one, but once you beat it up and take it to the next stage of what it's got to be done on the power hammer, or whether you're going to do it by hand, and it gives you a really nice start. Okay, so as you can see, I've coped out these two little blocks inside, very similar to the other ones. I chamfered the edges so the ball doesn't stick in there so much, and these little swaging blocks here will save you a ton of time. So make it out of any kind of scrap. Doesn't really matter, doesn't have to be a good quality steel, just mild steel is fine. There you go, you got a nice roughed up grape there. Some nice little cuts and bends in it. Like I said, the rougher a grape looks, usually the better, and it's usually easier to weld them all together when you're forging them for a finished product too, to get your cluster right.